Hello foodies, welcome to Foodie Rose. This is Vamshi back with another yummy recipe which is of breakfast. These are vegan pancakes. You can check out here my pancakes turned out very soft and fluffy. You need to try my version of it. So before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel Foodie Rules. New video every Sunday. To subscribe my channel, you need to click that red color subscribe button given below my video. Click that and click that appeal bell icon and click all for notifications. So I've taken half cup of all-purpose flour in which I'm going to add half cup of whole wheat flour to make it healthy. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Pinch of salt to balance out all the flavors. You can use only all-purpose flour to make it more fluffy. So I want to make my pancakes to be healthy, so I'm adding half cup and half cup of both the flours. So I'm going to whisk everything so that I can incorporate so much of air into it. To make the wet ingredients, in 1 cup of soy milk I've added 1 teaspoon of cashew paste. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You can use any vinegar of your choice, that's up to you. Which is available, add that. Mix everything and keep it aside for a while. So now take your dry ingredients. Now you need to mix your dry and wet ingredients together. So you need not maintain any type of batches. You can directly add both the things together. So whisk everything. You can also use a beater, but whisk is enough. So the consistency of the batter should be like this. Then on a medium flame pan, when your pan will become hot, add a generous amount of your pancake mixture. Keep a measurement so that all your pancakes turn out on a same shape or same size. So after some time, when they cook, some type of bubbles appears like this. You can see like this. When this appears, add your topping of your choice. So you can add chocolates, mangoes or jelly beans, or you can make it only simple like this. So turn it over. See how brownish it became. So now arrange your pancakes. So this recipe is for one batch, so you can enjoy these pancakes only for one person. You can multiply this recipe as per your preference. So add some butter and maple syrup and enjoy your vegan pancakes. So don't worry guys, you can buy all the ingredients from the description box below. So you can enjoy your pancakes anytime. See how soft these pancakes are made without eggs and fat? No, right? Me either. So enjoy your pancakes. If you want to check out my recipes in English, Hindi and Telugu, click the respective subscribe buttons given. Thank you for choosing my video.